great writers write every day. And Toolbox gives you that chance with a daily writing challenge.
Every morning, the Toolbox team release a completely new challenge.
There's one for primary school students and one for high school students.
From your dashboard, you have immediate access. For teachers, we've built the daily writing challenge large. This way, you can project it on your screen in your classroom.
Students, you get the InToolbox version. As soon as you open the daily writing challenge, you're immediately taken to the challenge area.
Read the challenge and start writing your response.
And you have all sorts of great tools to help you write.
Don't forget, if you ever want to see a daily writing challenge up close, you can do that too.
They're lots of fun. They're a real mixture of challenge, hilarity, and downright zany, but they'll get you writing.
If you ever wonder where they're saved, all the daily challenges are saved in the My Work section of Toolbox in a dedicated folder.
And each challenge has automatically the date and the name of the challenge for easy recall.
So why not start your day with a daily challenge and see if you have what it takes.